Typing with the speech to text feature in Google Docs. That's today's topic for Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hey guys, this is Jessica Antash from Greenleaf Elementary. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use Google typing or voice typing in Google Docs for your speech to text kiddos. So you're going to come over here to their home screen and you're going to find Google Docs. Open up a blank doc and come over here to Tools and you'll see voice typing. Hit that. When you see this box, you're going to click it to start speaking. If it might come up with a box at the beginning saying, do you want to, can we access your microphone? Have the kids hit allow or A. But it's pretty easy to use. I could just hit microphone. And as I'm speaking, as you guys can see, the computer is picking up my words. Period. The only thing you have to remember when voice typing is you have to say the punctuation as you need it, like period, or comma, or question mark, exclamation point. Also, when you're using capitals, with the exception of the letter I, you need to say capital and then the letter. But other than that, this is pretty much how you use voice typing. And when you're done typing, you just hit the microphone button and it'll stop. And that is my tech tip for today. I hope you've all enjoyed. Have a great day.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to join us back here next week for Tech Tip Tuesday.